Machines speak to me. When I work on them, I feel like I'm communicating with the people who designed and built them 40 or 50 years ago. A good engineer puts more than just his mind into what he's doing. There's a little bit of his soul.
J&J has got a reputation of being really talented people where you can actually make a big impact. We kind of have a huddle often enough to where all of us can talk about where we are and what process we're in.
I work in a team of engineers, and we collectively look at how can we improve the process. It's a very creative process.
What I did was step back a good distance and said, okay, how does flooring affect people? This is a very different way of looking at flooring.
Collaboration is essential to what we do and what I do here. Sustainability is everybody's job. I just have the privilege of having it in my title.
I do my best thinking, and I can pull back to that 100,000 feet and ideas begin to crystallize on the bike. We describe kinetics as a textile composite flooring. It's not carpet. I saw that it was just a perfect fit to be studied by evidence-based design. Carpet is a vehicle for a whole series of tactile, auditory, visual. It's a bundle of stimuli. That's what it is.
Here at J&J, we have an initiative to be zero waste to landfill by 2020. As an engineering group, we were tasked with the challenge to find an outlet for approximately 1 million pounds of waste yarn that normally would go to the landfill. When we started talking to our design team, they did what they do best and used their creative genius and created this product called Paradigm Shift. Paradigm Shift was a big gamble, I think, that we took when we first designed it, and it has become one of our top sellers. Personally, I feel that this is a unique blend of sustainability and design ingenuity.
The whole point is to find ways to reuse everything that we do. We're pretty hard charging when it comes into innovation, so we'll put a target in front of us of something we want, and we'll hit it with a lot of things. I think I'm a pretty intense guy, and the physical push is important. By the time you're done, you're exhausted, and that's kind of my approach to work, too. Even from the top leadership down, there's really a need to do what's right.
There are several things that J&J has done historically that have led the pack. We're the first manufacturer in this industry to implement a water recycling program, Aquafinity. Aquafinity is a water purification process by which we take the dye water and purify it through a series of filters. We do firmly believe that a sustainable industry is better than any one sustainable company. Any mill who wants to tour it can come tour it. Sustainability is about life. And so it's vital for a company to do the right thing. I love this place. It reminds me that we're just a speck on this earth, and we need to take care of it.
When I'm doing things, I have an immediate problem to solve, and that's my focus, but there's another part of me that's saying, what are people in the future going to think about what I did?